Yo, what's up guys, what's going on? This is Vike Studio. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to make this negative logo design in just a couple of minutes. Leave a like on this video if this video interests you, and then subscribe if you are just viewing this video for the first time. Let's get right in. So we'll be using COREL for this logo design project. So I'll be showing you the previous ones which I did. Like this is the logo I did for a foundation. So we'll be making this video, making this logo design again, just for the sake of tutorial. So we'll create our new page. Ctrl N to create your new page. We'll be doing this. Once you are done doing that, and you would like to pen down the brand name, either or the foundation name, any of those stuff. So I think I'll write those names down here. So I'll write the name here. So this is the name of the brand. Okay, so I have the name here. So the reason why I'm writing this name down here is just to guide me on what I'm doing. So and what we'll be doing straight right here is we're going to pick up our ellipse tool, and then you draw the perfect ellipse, holding your control, and then you draw something perfect this way. So you would like to Ctrl C to copy this, and then you duplicate, or you duplicate this. So the next thing to do is right click down on your circle, and then you drag it to this other side, and then you leave, and then you say copy here. Alright, so what you are going to do next is you are going to pick up your ellipse tool again, hold your control and draw a little circle here, like this. So we are going to resize this. So we'll be putting this here. Let me zoom so that we can see. So we'll reduce this a little, and then I'll take this here around here. Just take a look at how I place this around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this other part. I don't want it to be far much. Okay, I think here is okay for me. So I'll leave it this way. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up my ellipse tool again to draw another small ellipse. So hold your control and draw something like this. So I'll bring that around this area here again. So I'll leave it here. I think I'm okay with that. So I'm going to shift this cycle to this part. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm okay with that. So now we have our sketch here. So what I'm going to do, the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to go over to our tool panel. If you are not seeing your own smart fill tool, you may like to check this arrow here pointing here, click here, and then you can access your smart fill tool. So pick that, and then we're going to fill the areas that we'll be needing for this logo. So I'll click around here, I need this part, 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 and then you click around this small area, I need that part. So once you are done, what you are going to do is you select the part which you have filled that. So what you are going to do is hold on your shift while you select those parts. So you follow carefully while I select again. You select this part, hold on your shift, select this, hold on your shift still, select this part, hold on your shift, select here, hold on your shift, select here, and the last part, which is this small area, you hold on your shift and then you drag something like this to select that part. So this is what you'll be doing. You left click down and then you move it to this side. Okay, so we have the sketch and then we have the fill now. So what you are going to do is I'm going to take off this outline we are seeing here. So I'll select everything and then right click on it, and then you can see this option here, combine, or you can choose to press on your Ctrl L to combine this, combine, and then I can take off the outline. So I can go over here and then right click, and then I will remove the outline, or you go over to your property bar here where you see outline width, and then you click on none. So we now have something like this. So the next part of our logo design is, since it's a foundation that deals with serving with humanity or charity something, I'm going to create some icons of people who need help, and then hospitality, that means they are hospitalizing people, so we'll be creating something related to that. So we're going to pick up our ellipse tool here again. We draw an ellipse, something like this, that will represent the head of a human. So I'll pick up my rectangle tool, draw something like this, and then pick up my shape tool here, select this part, and then hold on your shift to select this other node. Sorry, it's called node. So we're going to drag this down inward. So you drag it inward like this. So we have something like this, okay? So I will just adjust it this way. I think I'm okay with that. So for you to center align it very well, hold on your shift to select it to with the ellipse tool, and then you hit on your C, then it's aligned now. So what we are going to do is, let's fill this to, then you remove the outline. So I'm going to duplicate this into 3. Yes, duplicate this into 3. Copy here, and then, sorry, we will not do this one. We'll just copy around here. We'll reduce the size of this. So Ctrl G, group this, then you group this also, okay? So Ctrl G, group this one. I'll bring this one down, okay, to be on the same level with this, and then I'll select this bigger one, select this, and then I'll go over to my property bar, and then I'll do simplify, okay? So once I simplify, then I can now move this particular one to the back. So control page down, and then let me reduce the size. This is not what I want. Ctrl Z, let's do that again. Hit on, select the smaller one, select the bigger one, simplify, then we have something like this. So Ctrl G, let me reduce this. Okay, this is a perfect thing I want here now. So I'm going to duplicate this to this other side. So drag, drop. So select that one, select this, and then you go over to your property bar, and then you simplify, okay? Then you can reduce the size for this. So once you group, you hit on E to align, sorry, Ctrl G to group this, hit on G, hit on your, hold on your shift key, and then you select this other one, and then you hit on your E to align it very well. Let's adjust this. Alright guys, what we are going to do next is we're going to pick up our text tool. We're going to have a plus icon which will signify an hospitality design. That was like you see on hospitals and all of those stuff. So I will be adjusting the icon which we made. So I will go over to my toolbar and then pick up my ellipse tool, and then deploy perfect I'll group the icons, then I'll pick up my ellipse, and then I'll have to fill my ellipse. select both, we go back to my property bar and then delete off that right now. So I'll bring in that cross right now to that position. So in the rest of the video, just watch what I do and enjoy the process. And if you want to replicate this particular logo design, you can do that and then you send me your own logo design in my WhatsApp DM. So I'll be dropping my number in the description box so that you chat me up and then send me your logo as I review that for you. I want to see you in my next video, guys. Enjoy the